So, in the previous activity, you looked at your areas of life where your baselines are not met. So, obviously, the next step here is to see what is that we need to do. So, can you just reflect upon it now again and see, for you to be happy there, for you to be satisfied in that area where your baseline is not met, what do you think you need to do? What actions you need to take?
Yeah, I revisited my 3-4 critical areas of my life where my existing baselines are not satisfied, and I could see that I should have taken into account these baselines before I decided the course of action in those specific areas. Like for example, health. So I could see that I have not focused enough on creating a balance or excellence in my health. So now if I had applied those as one of the filters in my decision making before I decide anything upon in that area, I see that I could make a difference. So now, for example, it could be that I am not focusing enough time for my health, or I am not trying to excel in specific fitness area which I have in my mind. So those things are things which
can you be specific in that? For example, health.
Yeah.
What do you mean by health? In terms of mental health, physical health, or
it's about both mental and physical health, but focus right now in this discussion, if I take physical health, how much time I am able to spend in my physical activity as an act of balance as compared to my professional career. So if I am spending 8 hours there, I am able to spend at least half an hour to 45 minutes in my health. So that balance has not been taken. So because when my prioritization of activities has been happening, I have ignored this balance and achievement from my health part, which has taken a beating. So that is something which I feel right now, if after you ask me to see the change, if I have to change my health, I have ensured that these 3 filters, if it goes through, before I decide any activities for myself, I think I will be having enough focus and happiness in the specific area.
Good that you got that realization. My specific question here is, what action you will take to improve your health aspect of it? Specific actions.
So it's about allocation of time. First thing, I should be dedicatedly focusing for half an hour to 1 hour in the health on a daily basis. And then I should be starting with mild exercises, and I have specific activities that I have to compare. Like if I'm playing a sport, I should play at least for half an hour.
So can you commit for it? Can you have a plan? Can you look at your day's activity and say, okay, this is what I will do, rather than saying I should be doing?
Yeah.
Can you change your how you put across, how I want you to declare it, saying that, okay, for me to be healthy, this is what I will do, or I am going to do from now onwards, or by this time, you would like to see yourself transforming in those areas. So that specific action, I want you to share that.
Yeah, I'll take it as an action and I'll update you next week how much I have achieved in that. Definitely it's an action to me to do.
What action item will you
What is that action?
Daily half an hour in the morning, 6 to 6:30, I'll be spending an activity in the physical space.
What is that you will do? Physical
running, yoga, either walking, jogging, or I'll be playing a sport.
So in the morning you will do that?
Yeah.
Fair enough. So you start with that activity
tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Super. Fair enough. You would like to share something?
Yeah.
As a change activity?
Again, for health being one area and spiritual development being another area. Spiritual development is something after I turned 40, I'm kind of attracted to, but didn't do anything. But thanks to you and the course, that it made me realize I have to kind of look into it now and take an action on that. So for spiritual development, the action I'm going to take is coming weekend, I'm going to join a spiritual classes close by, which are luckily starting next weekend or the coming weekend. One is that I'm doing, and 2, on health front, I can't do too much of workout and all. The only thing which I can do is brisk walking. So for which I need to get up really early. So it starts with getting up at 5:30.